Good morning everyone. Welcome back to English class. Hope you all are fine and safe. Today we are here again with Louisa May Alcott's story Tommy's Missing Dollar. So today it's time for detailed study, textual activities and question answers. So first let's start with section A, answer these questions. Here we have 7 questions are there. The first question, how did Tommy lose his dollar? So you have already know how, because while he was there discussing with Nat about how he is going to buy the fiddle, somebody has called them from outside of the barn to have a look at Dan's snake. Okay, so while they have gone to have a look at how Dan is playing with the snake, they have kept the money. Tommy has kept the money at the winnowing machine, and he has forgot all about the money while he was enjoying this play of Dan with the snake, and that is how he had lost the money. Second question, why did the students suspect Nat? So here we have 2 answers. The first thing, he was the first person, one and only person. Nat was the one and only person who had seen where Tommy kept the money. The second reason, Nat had the habit of telling lies. Not Tommy, Nat. Okay, so that is why students suspected Nat. Okay. Third question, what reason did Mr. Bayer give for doubting Nat's words? So here this third question is asking about what was the teacher's reason for Nat's. Teacher also given he was asking an explanation for Nat. Why? So he was giving a reason for that. So here also he has given that he was the only person who was there with the Tommy, and also his habit of telling lies. Okay, so the same answer of second question comes here also. Okay, why did the students suspect Nat, and also what reason did Mr. Bayer give for doubting Nat's word? Both are somehow same answer. Okay, now question number 4, how did the students treat Nat? Here we have to clear how Nat was ill-treated in the class. He had got cold looks and also suspicious looks from the other students, and he was all left alone at the classroom. Nobody was interested to talk to him. He was all isolated in the class. That is the answer. Okay, by other students. Next one, fifth question, what happened when Billy saw the quarters? Yeah, when Billy found the money at the cupboard, what happened then? Then what happened? Yeah, he had ran to Tommy, and Tommy also hoped to see what Billy was talking about, whether it is right or not. And here he was nearly tumbled down again from the cupboard, and he was greatly surprised to see 4 bright quarters there on the cupboard with a piece of paper writing his name on it. And grabbing these coins, Tommy dashed into the house telling everyone that he had found his money back. Okay, so he was so happy. These incidents we have to write as the answers here. And next one, sixth question, why did Mrs. Bates send the book to Mr. Bayer? What was the reason of returning this book? Here it is clearly given that Dan had sold the book to Mrs. Bates' son Jimmy for $1. So when Mrs. Bates read this, she has found that this book is much worth more than $1. So she had thought it might be a mistake, and she had returned the book to his teacher, Dan's teacher. Okay, that is the reason. And next one, why did Mr. Bayer look happy and relieved the next morning? Yeah, what was the reason for his happiness? Teacher was happy and relieved the very next morning because the problem of Tommy's missing dollar, this issue has been resolved by the person who had made this. So because Jack was a thief, and Jack had resolved the issue by returning the money and by clearing the incident. So now there is no point of suspecting Nat or Dan. So that is why, because this issue has been resolved peacefully, that is why teacher becomes happy and relieved. So these are the section A question answers. Now let's move into the section B. Complete this sentence. Here, just like fill in the blanks, we have to answer. Okay. According to Franz, Nat was the only person who who knew where Tommy had kept the money. Okay. Nat was the only person who knew or who had seen where Tommy had kept the money. So that is the answer here. Second one, Mr. Bayer did not punish Nat because. Why? Why Mr. Bayer did not punish Nat? Because there was no clear evidence against him. Because there was no clear evidence against Nat. Question number 3. Nat felt very hurt by what are the reasons? Why did Nat felt very hurt or isolated in the class? Here, because of the cold looks and suspicious talks from the other boys. Because of the cold looks or suspicious talks from the other boys. Next one, Dan had sold the book in order to dash. Dan had sold his book in order to pay Tommy's money to save Nat from this accused. In order to pay Tommy's money to save Nat from this accused. Okay. Next one, Jack went away because. What was the reason for this Jack's exit from the school? So here Jack went away because he had taken Tommy's dollar and he had cleared it to his teacher and he had returned the money. And the most importantly, he was not at all. He has not confidence to face his teacher and his classmates again. Okay, because of his laws of less confident. He was less confident about this issue. That is why Jack went away. Okay, because he had cleared that he was the real thief and he had returned the money, but he was not that much confident enough to face the others again. That is why he went away. Now section C, think and answer. Why did Nat feel that being whipped by his father was easier to bear than being suspected of lying and stealing? Here you have to imagine Nat in your place. If you are Nat, how do you feel? If you are Nat and if you are mistreated or ill-treated like this, how do you feel? Here Nat was thinking that in a situation, he was feeling that his punishment from his father is far better than this type of cold looks and isolation from the friends. So while he was comparing these punishments, he find that this is too much hurtful for him. Okay, it was too much for him. That is why he was thinking like that. These are too horrible for him. So first you have to imagine yourself in the place of Nat, and what will you do? What will you think like that? If you are accused of something that you haven't done, what will be your feelings? So in such a way you have to answer this question. You have to think in your way and write. Second one, was Dan correct in what he did? Give reason. Are you agree with Dan's action? This question you may write in your own opinion. Okay, whether you agree or not, what will be your reason? If you are agreeing with Dan's action, give a reason. If you are not agreeing, give a reason. Okay. And third one, why did Jack not wish to return to Plumfield Estate School? Here you have to think about Jack's part. Okay, what will be Jack's real reason? Yeah, if you are instead of Jack, what will you return to your school? So here also you have to think and write the answer. Next we have textual activities are here. Complete this table to compare and contrast the characters of Dan and Tommy. Give examples from the text. Here we have a box with the name of Dan and Tommy, and 5 things are here. So here you have to compare Dan and Tommy. First one, as a friend. As a friend, how Dan is as a friend, whether he is a best friend or he was a good friend or not, how he had treated. and how was Tommy as a friend. These two things you have to think and write. Second one, understanding people. What was the capacity or what was the quality of these two persons, Dan and Tommy, in understanding people. So you have to specify Dan's qualities in Dan's column and Tommy's qualities in Tommy's column. And third one, regarding money. While handling money, how was Dan and how was Tommy? These also you have to compare. Dan was giving his money, but Tommy was trying for his money. Okay, so there are differences are there. You have to compare and write. Okay, next one, reaction to problems. How these two persons are reacted to problems. How Dan has taken this problem. He has taken his friend's problem, and how Tommy reacted in such a situation. So those two situations you have to imagine and fill the column. And last one is basic nature, shows or hides feelings and so on. etc. What are the basic nature you have understood from this story? What is the basic nature of Dan? Whether he is kind-hearted, like that you have to write. Okay, generous or kind-hearted, like that. Tommy's basic nature also you have to guess and write here. Okay, in the table. That you can do in the textbook itself. No need to copy into the notebook. Okay. Second one, page number 17, second one, from Mr. Bay's handling of the situation, give reasons for your answer. 4 questions are given. Teachers, it's about teachers handling of the situation or teachers handling of this issue. Okay, this you have to write in notebook. Okay, the first one, do you think he was fair? Are you agree with the teacher is fair or not? Teacher is right or not? Okay. Second one, was he sensitive and understanding? Was he a good teacher or was he sensitive about the feelings of the students, and was he understandable much? That you have to guess and write. Okay, think about the teacher's action and write. And section C, how was his relationship with the students? How was the relationship between the teacher and students? So read the story and understand and write in your own words. Section D, did he set a good example to the students? Yeah, a teacher should be a good example to the students. So here, do you agree with this teacher, Mr. Bayer, that he was a good example to the students? If your answer is yes, you may write yes. If your answer is no, you may write no, and you have to clear all the reasons for your answers here. Okay. Now it's time for vocabulary. Here, find words and phrases from the text to match these meanings. Okay, here some meanings are given. You have to find out the word from the textbook, from the chapter that have the meaning of these words. Number 1, say something firmly. So what is the word comes with the meaning? Say something firmly. Second one, kept a record of. Third one, take up the attention of. Fourth one, tempt someone. Fifth one, to make certain that someone or something is safe. And last one, thought something will happen. This you should do in your notebook. It's homework for you. You have to first find out the meaning of this and find out the words from the textbook. Okay. And next we have writing, that we have already done in the last class. Diary entry of Nat. Okay. Here we have 3 clues are given. With these clues, you may write the diary entry. I think I have shown I sent you the videos of diary writing format. We need title, date, day, time, everything in the left side. Date, date, time in the left side. Then first you have to write the title of the diary, and you may put the diary in the box, and outside the box you can clear it. This is diary writing. First, put the title diary writing, then draw a box. Inside the box you have to give a subtitle that should be related with this topic, Nat's related topic. Then under that title you have to write in the left side corner nearby margin date, day and night time. Usually night time we are writing diary, no? So time. Then you may write a paragraph. One paragraph is enough. Here you have to express Nat's feeling. So first you have to imagine yourself as Nat and then write. Okay. If you are imagining yourself as Nat only, you can feel it. Okay, so here three clues are given for you to get the points. The first one, how you are accused of stealing the money, how will be your feelings while you are accusing of stealing money. If you are not doing such a crime, and while you are accusing, what will be your feelings, that you have to express in this diary. And also learn that the money had been found. When the money had been found, what will be, whether you are happy or not, relieved or not, that feelings also you have to express in this diary. And another thing, learn that Dan had given the money to protect you. While one of your best friend was there to protect you, what will be your feelings? So all these three feelings, feeling of accusing, feeling of relieving, and at the same time feeling of happiness. These three feelings should be projected in your diary. Okay. Now let's discuss the values of the chapter. Always try to be unbiased and trust people. Yeah, we have to trust people to some extent. We shouldn't be jump into the this type of judgment by looking at the evidence and all. Sometimes there will be created evidence will be there. So sometimes into an extent we should treat people good, and we should be ready to to believe them. Okay, such a message is given through Dan's story, through Nat's story, through Tommy's story. This story gives a message that to an extent we should be ready to consider the feelings of other people. Okay, we shouldn't be jump into the judgment by the evidence and all. We should give them time to prove it. We shouldn't jump into the judgment. Such a message is given. Okay, that is the value of the story. Now let me conclude by introducing your next chapter. It's a poem by Sarojini Naidu, The Indian Weavers. So let's start in the next class. I'll just give you a brief introduction about the chapter and writer in this class. So I hope you have understood. If you have any more doubts, you can text me personally. Try to submit your works on time. Okay. Teachers will not be there behind you to submit, to call you each one by one to submit your works. It's your duty to submit your works and send to me personally. I can't call you one by one. Some students are very good at, they are very updated in submitting their notes. Very good, keep it up. And some other, still those who haven't send me the notes. You have to send me the notes. I'll not call you because I'm doing my duty by giving you a class. It's your duty to return these works to me. Then only you will be given full attendance. I think you get me. Thank you.